These are the top reasons to take summer classes at Seattle U. Study in the vibrant heart of Seattle.
Going to Seattle University is always fun, but you know when it's the most fun? In the summer.
Get a jump start on your transition to SU.
SU's academic reputation.
Pick up those last few credits you need to complete your degree.
Even smaller classes.
Get a head start on your core classes so you can start moving forward with the other awesome opportunities.
Make connections to enhance your career.
SU even offers online classes.
The SU campus is even more beautiful in the summer.
Seattle U means quality education.
Summer courses are even less expensive.
See you at Seattle U this summer.
See you at Seattle U this summer.